Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tamagoyaki Onigirazu. Tamagoyaki or Japanese omelette is not a very popular filling for onigiri, but Onigirazu can accept everything. So today I'm going to put Tamagoyaki in Onigirazu so that you can have these two yummy things in one bite. Onigiri and Tamagoyaki. These two are something I often put in the lunchbox. So naturally, Tamagoyaki Onigirazu is perfect for lunchbox. At the end of the video, I will talk about what I would put in the lunchbox with this Onigirazu. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, nori seaweed, mayonnaise, Japanese QP mayo is available, some lettuce, and for Tamagoyaki, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon sake, 1 teaspoon mirin, half a teaspoon instant Japanese soup stock, pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Let's start with rice. Today I'm cooking 2 cups, but you can do 3 cups or 4 cups so that you can have it for the rest of the week. At first, you need to rinse the rice, so let's put the rice into the bowl, large bowl. Add some water. Gently stir. And drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water doesn't have to be perfectly clear. And let's put the rice into this pot here. I'm adding 2 cups of water into the pot. Rice and water is always 1 to 1, and today I'm cooking 2 cups of rice, so I need 2 cups of water. If you have time, soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. Put the lid on and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's make Tamagoyaki Japanese omelette. Today I'm using the square pan to make the omelette, but if you don't have the square pan, you can do it with round pan. And I have a video for that and I put the link here, so please check it out. Let's put 2 eggs in this small bowl. 1 teaspoon mirin, 1 teaspoon sake, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon instant dashi soup stock, 2 tablespoons water, and mix it well. Like this. I'm heating up the square pan over medium heat. Let's add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Using small piece of paper towel, spread the oil all over the frying pan. And the paper towel is soaked with the oil. And you're going to use the paper towel 3 more times, so keep it in a small plate. If you have too much oil left in the frying pan, you can just pour it out. I'm cooking 4 layers, one on top of another, so I'm going to add 1/4 of the egg mixture into the frying pan. Sugar is sinking at the bottom, so every time you add the egg mixture, you need to mix it. Let's add 1/4 and move the frying pan so the egg mixture cover all over the frying pan. When it's half cooked, the bottom side is solid cooked, but the top side is still slightly runny. You roll it down. Like this, and using this paper towel, oil here, push this to the top. And oil here. Now second layer, so let's add 1/3 of the egg mixture. Make sure the egg mixture goes underneath the first one so that it works like a glue to stick the layers together. Good, so let's roll it down. And you're rolling this first one in. So you kind of flip it over. Flip it over. Oil here. Push it to the top. Oil here. The third layer, so let's add half of the egg mixture. When you see big bubble like this one, pop it. Half good, so let's flip it over. Oil, push, oil, and the rest of the egg mixture. Okay, roll it down. Prepare kitchen paper. Put the tamagoyaki, wrap it up so that it doesn't dry out, and let it cool to room temperature. As I speak, rice came to boil. Let's turn the heat to low, really low, the lowest you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. Okay, the rice has been cooked for 12 minutes of a low heat. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and steam it for 10 minutes. The rice has been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Put the lid back on and cool it down to lukewarm. Everything is cooled down, so let's assemble them. Prepare plastic film big enough to wrap onigirazu. Put nori seaweed diagonally. Nori seaweed has front side and back side, or shiny side and rough side. And you put it with the rough side facing up. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in the middle. Put some rice and try to make it into square-ish shape. The size of the square is about the same size with 1/4 of the nori seaweed. Put some lettuce, mayonnaise, half of the tamagoyaki, some rice on top, sprinkle a little bit of salt. Bring these two corners in. As you push here, bring this corner up. Same for the other side. Bring the corner up as you push here and here in. Flip it over. Wrap it with a plastic film. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. So prepare a knife and wet paper towel or cloth. Your knife should be clean and slightly wet. Otherwise, it could easily squish your onigirazu. So every time you cut, wipe the knife to make it clean and slightly wet. And when you're cutting onigirazu, don't chop, slice. And Tamagoyaki Onigirazу is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Make sure you remove the plastic film. Itadakimasu. Tamagoyaki is so fluffy, salty and sweet, and it's delicious. If I make lunchbox with this onigirazu, I would put 2 onigirazu here, karaage, Japanese fried chicken here, and I want to have some vegetables too, so I would put spinach dressed with sesame sauce. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!